Now, it's the moment you have all been waiting for. Delayed by the Omicron crisis, and totally not as a result of laziness and incompetence, Typewriter TV presents its 2021 Holiday Special, Part 2. Because 2021 was so great for everybody, why not let it drag on into the next year? And now, your host, our very own Aaron Kramer.
Whew! Holy fuck, that was a wild first half. I didn't think I'd keep soldiering through the night, but luckily enough, I've rallied. Now pull your head out of the toilet long enough to point it at the screen, because the Castagnes are about to tear the roof off this joint. Let's go. How one would genreify you, and what your main influences are?
For me it's easy. I play blues and I sing, but I don't play the blues like dun, 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 dun. I don't play that song. Like I make blues songs that are not dun, dun, dun. Like, well,
it's more too.
No, but you know, like dun, dun, dun.
Zombie, it's cold outside.
Sorry guys, Troy just upgraded my computer to this new operating system and I'm having trouble adjusting. So if you'll bear with me a second. All right, you guys should be able to see my screen now. We got Typewriter Television West on the conference call. Rene, thanks for being with us. He and I will be leading this meeting. Now, as you all know, our rapid growth means the executive team needs administrative support to manage our expanding operations. We have been accepting applications to intern with us, and if I say so myself, we have had an avalanche of interest. In less than a year, we have had 3 completed applications submitted. I'm fucking psyched. Sorry for the language. Anyways, the purpose of this meeting is to vet the candidates we have so far and decide who we will interview first.
All right, show me the short list.
Our first choice is Macy, and she seems perfect for the role. She's fresh out of college, got a degree in music, has experience acting, directing, and editing, and she seems like a real go-getter.
College? For music? I learned how to rock the real way, getting shit-faced drunk and forgetting my lines on stage. Unless this dork went to Party U and her dean was David Lee Roth, I don't want her anywhere near my studio.
Okay, well, here's the next one.
Donnie Todgers. I like the look of this guy. Hard rockin', hard living, and hard liquor. That's what I see in this guy.
Yeah, you're right. I remember this guy. He worked at Mad Mark Records. I'm pretty sure he pawned their mixer to buy booze.
I mean, if there was ever a good excuse for stealing. Okay, let's see what's next.
His name is Buddy. Buddy Dardalovsky. He looks familiar, but I can't place him.
Wait, don't you remember that time we partied at Jordy's? This guy was there. He was a hoot.
Oh yeah, he's the guy with the cool retro chic look, who was ironically drinking those cheap beers. Wasn't he pretending to finish other people's drinks?
Yeah, he was hilarious. We ended up talking about Tom Petty like all night long.
That's right. I gotta call this guy and get him down here ASAP.
Don't tramp his timelines!
I kind of joined by accident. Scott got me a bass as a birthday gift. I played a birthday show. I played one song with them, which was awesome. RJ Binge, the bass player for Mung, he couldn't show up to a Scam Jam plug. And yeah, I was told to learn like 20 songs in like a week and a half, 2 weeks.
Sounds about
And I
right.
fucking crunched hard. I learned.
That means you took a shit, or?
I did that too. I learned a bunch of tunes and drove him crazy in the process. Played the show, and now when RJ's not there, I'm there.
And then when she's not there, I'm there. But I'm there either way.
My story's basically the same. Well, not really the same, but similar but different. Dayglows were playing a show, and we had booked Mung. They needed a drummer with, well, they said that we can't play the show, we don't have a drummer, and I'm like, if it's not imposing too much, I can learn some songs, and I think it was about the same. It was like a week and a half or something, and I played the same songs on my little Bluetooth speaker at work all day long. Originally, I was just going to fill in, at least they could play the show, and I go up to Scott after we play.
I haven't even packed up my fucking gear yet. We're still on stage. He comes up, whips out his...
That's not-
Way to go, Trent.
I'll let you finish it, because apparently my memory of it is slightly different.
So I just asked him, I was like, you want to keep me?
And that was it.
Fast forward a few years later, and
I'm here.
It's a rock and roll anthem for you and your friends. If you're gonna jizz your pants, you better have Japan's.
Should we get this on the go?
Hi.
Yes. We have a guest.
We're Slayer.
Actually, no.
Thank you for coming out.
Sepultura from Brazil.
Oh, sorry, we're Sepultura.
All right, everybody. I'm Max Cavalero from Brazil, and we are Mung. This next song is called The Lonely Man. 1, 2, 3, 4. The Castagnes give me praise.
Yeah. Thank you, Mom. I received my first guitar for my birthday.
Thank you, Dad, too.
Yeah, and Dad.
He's
Thank
there.
you, Mom and Dad.
He's there, too.
Sorry, Dad.
That's how it works. Thank you, Mom. Sorry, Dad.
It's probably because of them. I wanted to be a policeman and a fireman, and they cried. And when I say I was going to be a musician, they were happy. So I'm a musician.
Make sure to visit Bulldog in the new year.
What?
Hey, yeah. Is this buddy Dart a lot?
Smarten up, pal. It's Dart to you.
Dart? You prefer to be called Dart.
Not a preference. It's what I'm called, pal.
Okay, yeah, so I'm not calling about... No, I don't work for a collections agency. Yeah, no, I'm calling from... No, I'm not trying to sell you a credit card.
Are you saying I couldn't get one if I wanted one?
No, I didn't say you have bad credit. I'm calling from Typewriter TV.
Typewriter TV? What the fuck?
About the internship, you submitted an application on our website.
The fuck's a website?
A website? You know, on the internet? Anyways, did you want to come in for an interview? We're located at...
Redacted.
Well, you'll need to give me bus fare to get there.
Well, I mean, I could give you bus fare when you get here, but I don't see how I'm...
Well, fuck, I guess I'll come see what it is you guys think it is you do.
Okay, I look forward to seeing you this afternoon. Come in? Can I help you?
Fuck, I don't know, man. You got that bus fare or what?
Oh, you must be Dart. Welcome to Typewriter TV.
Well, who the fuck are you?
We talked on the phone. I don't know if you remember me, but we met at a party once.
Whoa. All right, I don't know what Jerry told you. Jerry's a fucking liar. But like I was saying to him, I got jumped on the way to the Briar. That's how I lost the chip-ins.
Oh, no. I didn't give you any money for beer. Oh, you must be joking. You obviously remember me. You're wearing that same retro costume you had on at that party.
Costume? This isn't a fucking costume.
Oh, my bad. I just assumed...
You assumed what? That I was playing fucking dress-up? I got this jacket layaway at Eaton's.
Eaton's? Are you sure you're the right fit for this role? I mean, the position is as an intern, so you'd be starting at the bottom of the ladder.
Oh, what do you mean right fit? You talking about my gut?
No. I mean a man of your experience.
Experience? What, you think I'm too old to fetch Hortons and play house with a bunch of fucking computer nerds? Because the answer is no.
No to the job? Oh, that's too bad. I was really...
No, as in no. I ain't too old to be fetching Hortons and playing house.
Oh,
Got an extra dart?
You're the first Dart I've met.
Holy fuck. No. A smoke. You got a smoke?
No, I don't have a smoke. Besides which, this is a no smoking.
Whatever, fuck. I was saving this one for after.
I appreciate your interest in the position, but...
Whoa. Chill out there, guy. Sounds like you're reading me a Dear John letter. It's a fucking age thing.
No, it's not that. Fuck. I'll tell you what. Are you interested in taking the intern position? We'll give you a shot.
A shot? Well, it's never too early for a free drink. What are you pouring?
We aren't drinking. This is a job interview.
Holy fuck, are you ever stingy? Whatever. I'll just crush my roadie here then. Whoo!
Okay, the internship begins tomorrow. Why don't you go home and rest off your buzz and we'll talk then. As you know, the position is unpaid.
Unpaid? You think I'm coming down here and dealing with your bullshit every day for nothing? Chill out.
Oh, that's too bad. We were really excited by the prospect of having you.
Did you get that fucking bus fare for me at least?
Oh yeah, sure, man.
Yeah, that covers the way here. What about the way back?
Okay, yeah. Here you go.
All right, bud. Hope you figure out where your head starts and your ass ends before this whole telephone radio shit goes. Jerry's a fucking liar.
Mung's gonna be surprised when they see what I got them for Christmas.
I mean, if you go through the catalog of stuff, there's
some touchy...
There's a few tunes that where there actually is a message, where I'm actually saying something that, you know, it's an opinion on world events or whatever.
Goddamn people are assholes.
You know, I mean, that's pretty self-explanatory, right?
Ask me if I give a shit.
That one people get fucking confused about because of the lyrics. People are thinking, you know, the lyrics like, children starving overseas, people freezing in the streets, violent crime is on the... They're ask me if I give a shit. People are like, you're a fucking asshole. I'm like, no, I'm saying this is how society is going, not that this is how I feel, right?
Mm-hmm.
You know? But then 70% of the songs are about fucking drinking beer and just being drinking beer.
Typewriter TV is doing the whole fucking show tonight. I fucking love you, yeah? And check out Back Alley Beers. I'm doing a shameless self-plug. Fuck y'all, Back Alley Beers.
I've never said anything inappropriate.
Well, ask me if I give a shit. Haha, I got you, bitch.
Like our first band, we were really young, like, and it was not, we didn't play music with like instruments.
No.
We were like trying to be the Spice Girls and the Backstreet Boys together, like.
S Club 7 was not even a thing.
All the street together, we were like 5 of us.
Yeah.
All singing. We wrote like 2 songs.
Yeah.
We can't even sing it. We still remember it. It was a bit crazy, but it was really beautiful.
It was amazing.
Did you want to sing a little bit of it?
Ready or not, I still flashes are here. Ready or not, I still flashes are
here. We are going to stop the war and bring the peace. Stop the war and bring the peace. Let the peace grow in your heart. We save the world for the people when everybody will be right. Break your stone out and throw your gun. The paradise will be on earth.
That was my thing.
Stop the war and bring the peace. Stop the war and bring the peace. Stop the war and bring the peace. Yeah. You see?
Yeah. Yeah, that was our first song. It was a hit.
That was a hit. Wow,
Good time.
not so bad in English when you think about it. Like, yeah, for the time. Yeah, we're French. We were still French back in the day.
I didn't even know.
We were more French.
Oh yeah, way more than what we are right now.
You don't have to put that on the thing.
Mung started 89, 88.
No, it's more like late 91. First show was 92. It's been a long and perilous journey. We've lost many a friend along the way, and many pairs of underpants. Those we don't want back.
How has your music changed over the years?
Well, when we first started out, it was just raw 4-chord punk rock. And eventually we started getting into more of a metal sound. Back to the earlier punk rock, just raunchy 4-chord shit. I switched over to guitar 10 years ago. Something like that. I'm originally a guitar player, not a bass player. So basically we're back to where we started almost, in terms of the sound. It's aggressive, fast, obnoxious, ignorant.
A little angry.
There's a little bit of angst going on.
All right, so you shuffle it up like so, and there's your card.
No.
What do you mean?
That's not my card.
Oh yeah, just fucking with you, buddy. This is your card.
No.
Third time's the charm.
Not even close.
Fuck's sakes! There you go. Oh shit, hey guys. We've had a hell of a night, but it's not quite over yet. I just wanted the chance to chat before we wrap up and you all run off to the after party. Tonight wouldn't have been possible without the hard work and goodwill of many people. Whether it's the artists, the photographers, the performers, the editors, the sound man, the venue, or zombie punk Santa himself. Typewriter TV wouldn't be a thing without you. And a special thanks goes to our community. Whether it's here in the north end of Winnipeg or anywhere in the world, we hope to keep you proud. We hope you all had fun tonight, and we're excited to show you what's coming next for the Typewriter team. So stay tuned for updates on what we got in store for 2022. Don't leave just yet, because we've got one more treat in store for you. Now let's get back inside before we miss it.
I love you, Willigan! Willigan! Okay. Thank you, Typewriter TV. Thank you, Ray. Thank you so much. Crazy. Yeah. Let's do it. It's a break for me.
Now you better pull your head out of the toilet long enough to point. Now you better pull your toilet. Now pull. Well, we hope you all had fun tonight. And we're excited to show you what the Typewriter team has coming up next. Holy fuck. Fun tonight. And we're excited to show you what we're going to be holy fuck.
What's coming next from the stage?
We hope. Oh, fuck.
See again, thanks to the director. It's just the guy that reads lines by. It's just my key grip right here by.
Have a great New Year's. Stay safe. Have a great rest of your night.
Typewriter TV, that's what we do, you know.
Typewriter TV.